Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is Evan with the Grainiac, and today I'm introducing to you the family recipe for beef jerky. I've worked in a meat market for 10 years, and this is the jerky we've made, over 1,000 pounds a week. This is regular flavor. I'm using a eye of round, or if it's already trimmed, it's called a denuded eye. This is an over 6-pound piece of meat. When it's all trimmed up, it'll be about 5 pounds. So this was at the local meat market for a little over $3 a pound. So that's a huge savings if you figure in a shrinkage of 40% even. It's going to beat the taste and the price of any kind of jerky you're going to buy at a store. Plus, you have the joy of making it yourself, make it as spicy, as sweet as you want. With the recipe I'm using, it's original, so you can add dill, you can add onion and garlic to taste, you can add in horseradish, works really well with it. That's the nice thing about making this at home. So you want to slice that up really thin so the cure can penetrate all the meat. That way it's going to last a long time. You can also make beef jerky without using cure. You just vacuum seal it, it's not going to last as long. And then everything else is natural in it. And in the other dish there, I just have water and soy sauce. I added in the ingredients and how much. So here I'm making a few slices of a cross cut. It's a little bit easier for the kids to eat. If you go with the grain, you get that nice beef jerky, that snap. If you go across the grains, it's a little easier for kids to chew. Bites off a lot easier. So here I'm showing you how the grain goes across, not up and down. So I pick those pieces out for the kids and they enjoy eating that better. So mix it up real good in the bowl, mix it with the water. You want to mix that with the meat for a long time, again, to get the spices evenly distributed, get that cure to touch everything. And this recipe I mentioned in the comments also works on venison, chicken, pork. It turns out really well with any one of those. You're adding liquid smoke to taste. A little bit goes a long way. Completely natural. All they're doing is they're doing a wood smoke and running it through water. So the water takes on the taste of the wood smoke. That's all it is. So cover it with some plastic wrap. You want that to sit in the fridge for at least 6 hours. If you don't use cure, you don't have to go that long. 6 hours is usually just what it takes for the cure to penetrate. Layer that out on your dehydrator. You can also put it in the oven on racks. Oven, the lowest setting is usually 170. These dehydrators are 160. So if you do it in the oven, you probably don't need to do it full 7 hours. Probably get away for 5 or 6, but just keep an eye on your meat when it starts to sweat. And you can kind of fold it a little bit. You can tell if it's done. And there we go. We're going to rotate. Just checking it, rotating it. And I'm going to rotate the trays from top to bottom also, so everything gets evenly done. And here it goes, finished product. I'm going to be putting it in the vacuum seal bags. And this is the way I've been doing it for years and years. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. It's really easy, it's cheap, it's fun to do, and it's gonna beat any other kind of jerky you can buy in the store. And then you can make multiple flavors after you're done. You can add in spices after it's done being cooked too, and that's also fun, adding a little bit of pepper flakes or anything. But like, subscribe, enjoy. Thank you for watching.